I'm basically just going to put a cap on it, and then pieces, I'll cut little triangles out here, 4 per side, weld them in to reinforce that with some 3/16 steel. Hopefully that'll, and then drill a hole in it. Do the same on that side. Then I'll be ready to mount leaf springs to it.
She had a cat mushroom.
Got the cat mushroom? That's a good one. You can climb walls really good with that one. Alright, new brackets are attached.
So you're the last one has to sign up.
There you go. Dad. So let me hit these with some paint real quick and I'll install them. Man, I need to clean my garage. It's so cluttered.
Are they?
Yeah, let's see. So Let's pull them out of this one
Where are they?
and set them right here.
Wait, are we using Mom's
You just get in your
tweezers?
hand. Boop.
Wait.
You're getting me dirty.
That's what you get when you do that to me.
Getting them?
Yeah.
I'm going to clean these up, and we'll put some fresh grease in there, and then we got to put all these back in.
But we're gonna need to wash them. Are we gonna wash them right now after our
Well,
hands?
I'm just going to use this rag to clean them. See, look how clean I already got. Is that it?
Yep.
Okay, let's wipe these ones off. And
Now-
then you can go ride your bike a little bit while I clean these out.
Wait,
And
my
then
hands.
I'll come get you to put them back in.
Okay. But we're gonna need to clean this.
I'm going to clean these.
And put more grease in it.
Yep. Alright.
I can't wait to do this. Do you put new things in
Look
it?
how nice and clean these are now. Looks good.
And we can't forget these.
Yeah, those look good too. Alright, let's grab some like that. And you're just gonna rub it on the inside like you're greasing a cake pan to make a cake.
Oh, but do we have to put our hand in this or in the lid?
Right in there.
Hmm.
Just, yeah, there you go.
Oh my god, mine looks horrible.
Yeah, let me see.
See?
I'll help you. Hold on. When I'm done, just keep trying. Use the tweezers and straighten them out.
Right.
Those ones that are laying sideways in there, grab the tweezers and straighten them out. It'll make it easier.
Oh my god. I dropped them on the tape.
Almost got this one done.
This is hard. How are you doing
Look
it?
at that. Let's show the camera. Okay. That's one done. Good. Oh, it's like a puzzle. Back on this.
How do you do this? How do you do that one?
Okay, so these ones are done.
Got to put grease in there.
You show them to the camera. Ta-da! Here, I'll just put the camera right here. Looks good.
But look what happened to our hands.
Alright.
And this is grease.
Let me wipe these off.
Why?
Well, we gotta put them back in Mom's makeup case.
That was Mom's
She won't.
tumbleweed garage.